welcome to Havila's Kitchen. Today our recipe is vanilla chocolate cake. With coronavirus around it, doesn't sound good to buy cakes from the bakery, and at the same time we can't stop celebrating important things like birthday, wedding anniversaries, etc. So I came up with this recipe. This is very easy to make and will come out very spongy. Okay, now take a bowl, add 2 egg whites. Using beater, beat it continuously until you get a creamy foam. If you don't have electric blender, you can use hand whisker. Once you find it foamy, add half cup of powdered sugar and beat it continuously. Yeah, now you can find it in very white creamy consistency. Now to that add 2 egg yolks and beat it continuously. And add half cup of vegetable oil and beat it. Now add half tablespoon vanilla essence and mix well. Okay, now switch off the blender. You can see the creamy consistency. Now using sieve, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. To that add half cup of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Sieve it nicely. Now mix all the ingredients. Now you can see thick creamy consistency. To that add half cup of milk and mix it like a dosa batter, which you can find in the video. Now take baking bowl. I already kept butter paper in the base. After applying butter to it, you add the batter to the cake bowl. Tap it nicely to avoid air bubbles and keep it in oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once the cake is cooked, let it cool completely. Remove the butter paper and cut the cake into 2 pieces. It is very spongy. Now one side apply homemade butter frosting cream on the top. Now place another half of the cake. Now you can pour chocolate granache. This I made it at home. This is only optional. And refrigerate it for about 10 minutes. I have just decorated with some designs using chocolate cream and flowers using buttercream. Now the delicious vanilla chocolate cake is ready. You can try on your birthdays, wedding anniversaries and other important days. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Havila's Kitchen. Thank you. Bye-bye.